Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to download Capcut on MacBook or PC. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you would go to Google and type download Capcut for Mac. You would click on the first link and then click on download for free. This would download the version that automatically match your operating system. So click on this file. It should pops up this Windows. Click on this Windows, and then it would ask you if you are sure to download this app from the internet. You would click open. This process usually take around 3 minutes, so give it some time. So after that, after you download the app, it would pops up this window which you can start making videos, and that's how you download the CapCut to your PC. Thank you so much.